Welcome to this short video on the SMARTS commercial back office solution. This high-level presentation provides a quick look inside the SMARTS commercial application. For a more in-depth review, we invite you to contact us for a live demonstration with one of our friendly instructors. What makes the SMARTS commercial back office solution unique is its ability to process lease and rental transactions that have multiple commission payouts over the length of the lease or rental period. SMARTS Commercial also processes regular sale transactions with just one closing date and one commission payout at the time of closing. This is the main menu for the SMARTS Commercial back office solution. From here, the user can access all of the various components contained within the application. To keep this presentation short and to the point, only the major modules will be shown. SMARTS also has a number of business intelligence reports that can be accessed from the main menu. SMARTS reports can also be accessed via a mobile web app that does not require the authorized user to load or use SMARTS to produce the reports. SMARTS is extremely flexible, allowing real estate brokers to configure SMARTS to fit their specific requirements. Agent commission pay plans can be created using a number of options to produce the revenue the broker owner is seeking. The first step when using SMARTS Commercial is to set up the company, branch offices, and agent commission plans. Here's a quick look at the company, branch offices, and commission plans setup screens. Setting up the company and branch offices is a one-time process. Commission plans can be added and modified at any time to fit future requirements when it comes to agent pay plans. The company and branch office setup screens provide the opportunity to set up default values. This allows more efficient data entry and commission calculations when entering sale or lease transactions. Depending upon your SMARTS license agreement, SMARTS can manage multiple branch offices, and the business intelligence reports can be organized by office. Agent commission pay plans can have multiple performance levels, different methods for measuring year-to-date performance, unique rates for either the listing or selling side of the sale or lease transaction. Commission plans can be linked to the agent's commission anniversary date for automated rollover when an agent reaches their commission year end. This is the sale transaction entry screen for a sale transaction with a single commission payout at the time of closing. The sale transaction module will link to the listing record, assign associates to the sale, calculate all commissions including outside or referral brokers, identify the buyer and seller, manage any escrow deposits. All the information on the sale and related data will be the source for the SMARTS business intelligence reports. A sale transaction can have multiple agents assigned to the sale regardless whether or not the agents were on the listing or selling side of the transaction. Outside referral brokers, off the top and off the bottom deductions can also be applied to the sale and calculated into the final commission amounts for the agents. SMARTS allows the user to adjust any commission values, split commissions among multiple agents on the same side of the sale, collect agent receivable amounts, and more. SMARTS allows the user to drill down into specific agent details to review the entire commission calculation performed based upon the agent's commission plan and deductions used. This is the transaction entry screen for lease and rental transactions. In many cases, lease and rental transactions involve multiple commission payouts throughout the term of the lease or rental period. Each commission payment is a subtransaction within the lease or rental record. Agents will also be processed and will be paid their portion of the commission with each commission payment received by the broker. Like the single payment sale transaction entry screen, the multi-payment transaction allows the user to add property owner and tenant details, assign associates to the transaction, and calculate all commissions for each payment received. All of the lease or rental details within the multi-payment transaction record become the source of information for SMARTS business intelligence reports. Whether the transaction has one single payment or a series of payments over the lease or rental period, the SMARTS commercial user can add referral brokers, outside brokers, off the top and or off the bottom deductions. Any adjustment to the financial data entered will automatically calculate the commissions for all parties to the transaction. When creating a multi-payment lease or rental transaction, SMARTS allows the user to preset the number of payments to be received over the length of the lease or rental period. Each payment will have its own due date. Invoices and property owner statements can be produced at any time to keep the owner, broker, and agent up to date and informed. As each payment is received, SMARTS Commercial will allow that sub-transaction to be closed, and the appropriate commission amounts will be calculated for immediate disbursement. The status of the next payment will be automatically changed from future depending, allowing the broker to create meaningful cash flow projection reports. As previously mentioned, SMARTS can produce a number of various reports to improve communications, workflow, and provide valuable business intelligence for the broker owner and their agents. This first report provides the transaction detail for a lease or rental transaction. The second report is an agent commission statement, often referred to as a CDA document. Each agent on the transaction will have this CDA produced for their review and approval. SMARTS Commercial has a listing module that allows the broker owner to manage their listing inventory. A listing entered into the SMARTS application can be linked to a sale or lease transaction and eliminate retyping of common data items. The SMARTS Commercial Listing module also allows some additional information to be added, such as property square footage, available square footage, rent per square foot, lease type, and more. These listing details allows the broker to create market reports for both active listings as well as properties that have been leased or rented. We are just about ready to wrap up this presentation. Just a few modules to quickly review. The next component is the Associate module. All of the broker owner's agents will be entered using this data entry screen. Along with the associate's personal information, a previously entered commission plan can be assigned to the agent for automatic commission calculation when the agent is added to a sale or lease transaction. This screen illustrates the Client module. Property owners, buyers, and tenants can be entered into the SMARTS application and linked to the property listing, sale transaction, or lease deal. The client's corporate details can also be added. Client data can be used multiple times for multiple transactions within the SMARTS application, saving time and effort. The final component we will review is the third-party module. This module allows the user to enter and manage possible third parties to a transaction, such as outside brokers. Once the third-party data has been entered, it can be used multiple times when linking the outside broker to a sale or lease transaction. SMARTS Commercial has a number of features to make data entry fast and easy and reduce or eliminate redundant activities. This SMARTS Commercial back office presentation is now complete. The remaining portion of this video will highlight some of the business intelligence reports within the application. These are sample reports, and some of the examples only used a minimum number of records for this presentation. This first example report is a cash flow report. The color coding instantly illustrates transactions that should have closed but haven't as of yet. These are highlighted in red. Transactions that are 1 week behind the scheduled closing date are highlighted in yellow. Transactions colored green are scheduled for closing this coming week, and any sale or lease deal closing beyond 1 week are not highlighted. This cash flow report can also be organized by branch office should the broker owner have more than one branch office in their company. This example business journal can be produced at any time, and as illustrated, it provides a quick executive snapshot of the company's sale and lease transaction activity for the year. The lower section of the report provides the broker owner with some key performance indicators that can be very valuable when monitoring the company's overall financial status. A similar report organizes the transaction activity by month rather than the entire year. This report can also be produced by branch office, allowing the broker owner to review each branch office independent from the other branch offices in the company. This sample report is called a Sales Agent Ranking Report. It can be sorted in numerous ways to provide the broker owner with a high-level overview of their sales associates' transaction activity and the commissions related to each agent. SMARTS Commercial has two separate invoice reports. The one on the left is for single payment transactions, often used in a sale. The other invoice on the right is for lease transactions. SMARTS has an auto-billing feature which will automatically email all invoices to their respective property owners when the commission due date is reached. This automated feature is performed without requiring an administrator to individually produce the invoices and email them manually. Some of the reports within the SMARTS Commercial application represent the information in a graph. This particular report illustrates the top 10 agents in the firm. It would appear from this example report, one agent, that being Chris Wilkins, is far outproducing the remaining agents in the firm. If you will recall, the SMARTS listing module allows the broker owner to enter additional information about the listing. These additional data items are the source for a series of commercial property listing reports that can provide the broker owner with business intelligence as it relates to their listing inventory, both active and closed. It is important to note that many of the SMARTS Commercial reports are accessible via the Smart Reporting web portal. This SMARTS mobile reporting web app can be used by the broker, their managers, and their agents. Reports are tailored to only provide the information relative to the user's position in the company. In other words, broker owners can see everything, but agents would only see the information directly related to their sales, leases, and listing activities. In addition to business intelligence reports, SMARTS Commercial produces a number of workflow reports such as commission statements, commission disbursement, and sale or lease transaction details. Eliminating redundant administrative tasks can provide better service to both clients and agents, and potentially eliminate communication issues and processing errors. SMARTS is a sophisticated commercial back-office solution that was developed by a former CCIM instructor with over 40 years of expertise in designing real estate back-office solutions for the residential real estate brokerage industry. Despite its advanced features, SMARTS Commercial is easy to learn, simple to use, and in most cases, new customers can be up and running in just a few days with minimum training. For more information about the SMARTS Commercial back-office application, please contact Lantrax to arrange a friendly, no-obligation demonstration. Thanks for watching.